Aujourd'hui, je vais continuer cette histoire, ok? Attends, où je suis rendue? Ouais, ici. As the world cooled down. 51. Before the world started to cool 30 million years ago, palm trees grew rare. These trees have thrived in warm, wet conditions. But as the earth cooled, other plants took over, such as magnolia, pines, oaks, and birch. These changes meant that animals changed too. 52. Pyrotherium means fire beast, but not because these plants could walk through fire. If its fossils were found in layers of ash from ancient volcanoes in Argentina. South America, the volcano probably erupted and its fumes and ash suffocated and burned all the animals nearby. Pyrotherium was about as big as a cow and looked like a combination of a pig and a short-tusked elephant.
你要干嘛？你还小声一点。
Je m'excuse, okay? C'est ma soeur. Many prehistoric animals have exciting name. Brontorium means thunder beast, whereas fossils of Brontotherium were found in North America. Local people thought they were born of the gods. They thought that these gods rode chariot across the sky and started thunderstorms, which led to the animal name. 52. No, je dirais après ça. 54. Andrewsarchus was a real big head. At 1 meter long, it had the biggest head of any hunting mammals on land, and its strong jaw were filled with sharp, pointed teeth. Its whole body was as big as than a tiger today. Andrewsarchus probably lived like a hyena, crunching a bone and gristle from dead animal. Yet it belonged to mammal group that was mostly plant eater. It lived 30 million years ago in what is now the desert of Mongolia, Asia. Quiz 1. What does a Brontotherium mean? What does a Pyrotherium mean? How long was the head of Andrewsarchus? Where did Arseniotherium live? 55. Some animals had horns as tall as people. Arseniotherium's two massive horns looked like powerful weapons, but they were light, fragile, and made with very thin bones. This plant eater lived in northern Africa about 35 million years ago. It was almost as big as an elephant and may have been an ancient cousin of the elephant group. What does fossil tells us? 59. Fossils are the remains of animals or plants that have been preserved in rock. Usually, only a hard parts of an animal, such as teeth or bones, are preserved in this way. Trilobites has a tough outer skeleton of usually only this part of their body is found as a fossil. Scientists use the fossil to try to create a picture of how the soft parts, such as muscle and organs, may have looked. Some early humans are known only from their fossil footprints, not from fossil of their bones. Their footprints were discovered in 1978 in Tanzania, Africa. By examining trilobite fossils, scientists were able to tell that this animal could see in all directions. 57. Some fossils are known as a trace fossil. These are not fossilized part of an animal body, such as bone, but preserved mark left behind by the animal, such as footprints or dropping. By studying the fossil, discover how it walked, how fast it could move, and whether it lived alone or in groups. 58. On rare occasion, the soft parts of an animal may preserve as well as hard parts. Insects may become trapped in sticky sap oozing from pine tree. This sap may then become fossilized as amber. With the insects caught inside, scientists have found hundreds of insects, spiders, and other small creatures perfectly preserved in this way. Quiz. What is a fossil? What can scientists tell from a trilobite fossil? What is amber? What the animal did Archaeopteryx look like? Some fossil. 59. One of the most important valuable fossil ever found was of Archaeopteryx in Germany in 1860. The fossil is about 150 million years ago and shows as creature that looked part dinosaur and part bird. It had the feather and wings of a bird, but the teeth and bony tail of a dinosaur. This shows that birds probably evolved from a type of dinosaur. 60. The importance of some fossils can be misunderstood. Acanthostega was one of the really earliest amphibian fossils ever found. However, the man who found the fossil was not an expert of amphibians. When he expedition returned to Groenland, the fossil was put in a drawer as a museum. It was not until over 30 years later that an expert of amphibians happened to see the fossil and realized how important it was. Ok, aujourd'hui, je vais raconter ici, puis demain, je vais continuer. Ok, je vous vois demain. Au revoir.